Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Paul Espargaro. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2050?
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well?
They're trying to get that bike into Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to sink the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a
shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
damn the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi.
Will we have a new 2050?
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well?
Unbelievable! From the back to the Catties, clapping in Billy. Suzuki out, hit around, Maggot through
the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
Clapping in believe it. They're trying to get that bike into Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to sink the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio.
What a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
damn the back straight.
Yamaha, he's on the stretcher.
Well, on Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki out, hit around, Maggots and Beckett, Quattraro. Brilliant start from Marquez from Pole.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well?
It is!
There's fire from the Ducati. The high slide, down he went, for the factory Ducatis. Clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to sink the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quattraro.
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
damn the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following
Marc Marquez now has
damn the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag. Send Beckett, Quattraro. Brilliant start from Marquez from Pole.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well? There's fire from the Ducati. The high slide thing a bit.
Dovizioso is ready with the name. The checkered flag is out here.